What's up, guys? So today I have a 3rd generation Nest thermostat to unbox, and I will show installation of it as well. Has been around for quite a while now, about 3 years. This particular one is finished off in the black color. So this is called a learning thermostat because it learns your behavior and what temperature you set it to around what time of day, and it can also heat up your home when you're not there or cool it down. So this way, it can efficiently cool your home or heat up your home and can reduce your electric bill and reduce your heating costs. So that's what they mean by it pays for itself. So taking a quick look around the box, we do have the Nest, the picture of it, the color, which in this case is black, little Nest logo right there, and then a little sticker on the side saying that you should check the compatibility of it before buying. On the back, points out some key features, and then gives you more information on how it saves energy. On the top, it tells you how you can control the temperature from your phone or anywhere. On the bottom, we have some legal information. And there's a little pull tab on the corner they give us so we can easily open the box. So let's go ahead and pull it. And take the shrink wrap off. So this paper right here just slides right out. And we are left with this cardboard box. And then this just lifts right up. So in the box, first thing we see is the Nest. There is a little plastic cover on top of it. And then we get to see the actual Nest, the Nest thermostat. This is the metal. This is metal, and this is in a black stainless steel type finish. Little cardboard tray. So we have some paperwork in this tray. Installation guide. And then we kind of have like a quick start guide, highlighting the features and how to use it. We get the installation plate, so this is where we're going to connect all the wires from our wall. We get a pretty nice Nest branded screwdriver, so you can pull it out, switch the bit from a flat head to a Phillips head. They do give us some screws. Pulling that out, we do get the wall plate, so if you have any holes from your previous thermostat, this will cover it right up. Another bracket, and we do get a couple more screws at the bottom of the box, and looks like one slid around. So this is the Nest system itself. This is the thermostat. You do have Nest branding on top, a circular display. We do have to remove it because this is where the sensors are to recognize the temperature for it. This is the black finish. It does look more of a dark stainless steel is what it looks like. Micro USB port on the back for charging the device. And you do have the interface connector, so this is how it talks with your home heater system. So the ring on the side, it does turn, and this whole thing is a button. So that's how the interface works. So let's go ahead and get to installing it. So this is my current thermostat. So in this case, it just pops right off. In some cases, you might need to unscrew your faceplate. So if you look carefully, there are letters over here on where the wires are connected. So we're going to go ahead and stick these stickers that Nest provides so you don't get confused on which wires go to which position. So now that I've labeled both of them, as you see, this one goes to W and this one is R. So now we can disconnect the wires using the screwdriver. So the wire comes out, and do that for your other wires as well. As you see, this little black wire here connecting both these terminals is called a jumper wire. We will not need this for the Nest. Now, depending on the type of system you have, you may have more wires than I do. So once you've taken out all the wires, you can unscrew the plate off the old thermostat. Once you have taken the wires out, put the faceplate on, and then the mounting for the Nest thermostat itself. It will seat into place. Use the included level to properly install. Once you have put the screws in, tighten the mounting bracket onto the wall. Once you've installed the mounting bracket, you can put your wires into the holes, press down the button on the side, and insert them. The button should stay down once the wire has been inserted. So do it with your other wire. Press the button down and put the wire back in. And then make sure you put the wires all the way back in. Once completed with that, attach the Nest thermostat. You should hear it snap in, and turn on your power. So you should see the green light flash once you turn the power back on, and you will see the Nest boot up logo. Once it is booted up, you can use the setup menu, press for the internet connection, connect. It does also work with 5G Wi-Fi, and you can enter the password this way, selecting the letters by scrolling through them. After entering your password, it should connect to the internet. Once it has connected, you can press to continue. It's going to check for a software update, and in this case, it is going to download it, or else it will say the software is up to date, and you can go on to the next step. After the update is completed, it will restart. When it restarts, you can set up all your preferences, such as the location, so it can tell the weather. No. Oh. Let's try automatic again. No. So this is a single family, and my thermostat is in the family room and equipment. I am a homeowner. So it tells us the wires that are detected, and this is correct. And I only have a heating system in this house, which is correct. Gas, forced air, temperature, after choosing your desired temperature, you can do the system test. So you can test the system right now, and I only have heating. So it's going to test the heating system through the W1 wire. And I just heard my heater click on, so it does work. Once your heater kicks on, you can press done, and the heating system will turn off. Then you can go to the Nest app, and I would like to connect it. So it's going to get an entry key, and you can put that into the Nest app. So once you get the entry code, what you need to do is open up the Nest app on your phone. If you have an account, you can sign in, or you can sign up if you don't have one. So once you've set up your account, you can click continue. Then you can enter your home name, and then you'll need to put your address into the system. Then you can get emails for news and marketing, and then sign up for your home report if you want to. You can turn those on or off. Click next. And I want to use my phone's location for home and away. So this way it'll set the temperature to a energy saving position, and it saves you money that way. You can click OK. And I'm going to use the phone for the location, and I will always allow. Done. So you can also share the account with other family members, so that's pretty cool, but I don't want to do that right now. And that's pretty much it. So once you come here, you can add your product. I don't have a code, but I have Nest Thermostat, Nest Learning Thermostat. Continue without scanning. I've already installed mine, and I'm going to go ahead and enter this entry key that is on thermostat. So it's going to connect. And then on the thermostat itself, it asks me for my email address. So I'm going to press yes and done. So that's pretty much it for the phone. So let's take that away now. So I'll click continue. Finish. And first of all, you should remove this little plastic cover. That's where the sensors are. That's where it senses the temperature. So once it comes here, you can set the temperature, and it turns orange when it needs to heat up. And then if you press on the screen, you get a lot of menus, and you can play around with them. Schedule, history, settings, your weather. That's pretty much it. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.